Welcome. When you've seen this video, you know this message is meant for you. Today, I feel like working with the Agatha All Along Tarot deck to get one central message for you for today. That is road opening. A road opening for you and for your life and for the challenges that you might face, the obstacles in your path. So, what can you tell me today? Tell me something about the road, about your road of destiny, your road of challenges. What makes your road unique? And what makes you unique? First card that comes out, Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. Before your final journey, not final journey, before your final obstacle in your road can be resolved, you have to sit down and remember that everything that you have accomplished and everything that you still have to accomplish does not involve materialistic items. You can create many things with what nature has in store for you. Picking up sticks to make a basket, finding flowers to make a crown. Everything comes from nature and from inside of you that expresses itself in an external way. Ace of Pentacles in reverse is also a promise that lurks beneath the shadow, that there is more to come, even if you do not want to face it, but at the end of the day, it will be wise to do so, because then you will reach your full potential. The Page of Pentacles. A lot of earthy energy that is involved here. Anything that is fixed, that is solid, earth signs, my Taurus and Virgos and Capricorns. Maybe this message is particularly for you for today. But the Page of Pentacles is optimistic. They are thinking rather than disrupting. Yes, they are thinking rather than disrupting. They are seeing opportunities in every sense, even in a world that feels boxed in, that feels closeted. 7 of Swords in reverse. This isn't something that you should walk away from. This isn't something that you should fear to take on this challenge. Do not fear this challenge, for this challenge will bring you towards a greater part of your life. Do not fear it until just don't fear it. Easy for me to say, I know, but do not fear this challenge, for it is the challenge that will set you free. Then 4 of Wands. 4 of Wands in reverse. As you exit out of one version, out of one phase, you enter a new phase, a new version. This new version is no longer limited, but it has now become unlimited. This version that you're now entering is your version of where your limitations is now set as the ground force where you will build up. Like I said, there's a lot of earth energy involved in this reading. This is the ground that you will build yourself upon. Every challenge, everything that you have faced in your life has now become this opportunity for you to really blossom into the person that you want to become. Then the Ace of Wands. Challenge accepted. This is your first agreement, your first verbal agreement towards I accept this challenge with open arms. I now allow greatness to come into my life because not only do I want it, I deserve it. It's a lot of finding your voice in a world that screams, finding your voice in a world that chooses violence and disruption over peace and tranquility. Give me three more gods. Three more gods. Tell me about clarity. There is clarity involved. You've weighed all your options. The seven of cups. You've weighed all your options. You didn't just jump into a new thing, a new challenge. You literally sat under a tree and you looked at this ground. You looked at the surface level. Is it safe to walk on? Yes, it is, because you didn't just jump. You actually did go out of your way to do your research. The Three of Cups in the reverse. There were things that you have lost along the way, but that's okay. Those are the things that was seasonal or only meant to last for only a short amount of time, so that you can prepare yourself on so many different levels for greater things to come into your life. The Nine of Swords. Set yourself free. Allow a challenge to not overthrow you or let you down or throw you under the bus. Let it just be. Be in the moment. Be the moment. Live your life as if it is a continuous cycle that is constantly reborn, living, then death. Reborn, living, death. As a challenge where you constantly learn to understand and to feel what the universe has in store for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, have a wonderful and a blessed day.